Hello and welcome to week 5 of health. This week we're going to be looking at stress and how animals, including humans, are not designed to be stressed out all the time as many of us are. So we'll talk about some of the differences between animals in the wild and other mammals and how they handle stress versus how humans handle stress. We will also talk about how chronic stress, which is to say stress that you experience all the time, affects your brain and your body, your hormones and chemicals, and all sorts of other things. Um, and then the second piece of the week is going to be exploring how adolescents are designed to take risks, but also the importance of um, why we take risks and why it's so important to take healthy risks versus dangerous risks. You only have 5 assignments this week. Again, no projects, but please do let me know if you need help getting caught up on anything. Some people have kind of fallen behind on weeks 2 and 3 and 4. And let me know if I can help you with any of this week's work. Have a great week 5. Talk to you soon.